afternoon. Welcome to the amazing Taman Safari Bali. My name is Satya. I'm your safari ranger for today. And welcome to Kampung Gajah, the home of the magnificent elephant. In a few minutes, we will share a real life story that is happening in Indonesia today. May our presentation inspire you to understand more about these beautiful creatures. And the conflict happened between wild animals and humans all over the world. Selamat datang di Panggung Gajah. Nama saya Satya, sesaat lagi kami akan berbagi cerita tentang konflik antara gajah dan penduduk di Sumatera. Kami harap Anda dapat menjadi lebih peduli akan permasalahan yang dihadapi oleh satwa-satwa liar di dunia. The forest is the source of life and habitat to many wild and endangered animals. One animal that is critically endangered and under threat is Elephas maximus sumatranus, the only Asian elephants that can be found in Indonesia, also known as the Sumatran elephant.
In the beginning, life in the forest was peaceful. There was plenty of food and space for humans and animals to live happily together. Elephants were once many in Sumatra and could be found almost anywhere on the island. The elephants live in very large groups, which are led by the most experienced female in the group. The female are usually able to give birth at the age of 10 years to a single calf after a 22 months pregnancy period. The Sumatran elephants are herbivores. They need around 200 kilos of food daily, including grass, bamboo, and fruit. They drink about 150 liters of water per day. They also have very strong sense of smell. But sadly, over the last few decades, humans cleared over 6 million hectares of forest for farming land. Sumatran's deforestation rate is among the highest in the Southeast Asia. This took away the primary food source for the elephants, and subsequently, the elephants' life began to be disturbed by destructive human activities.
Neneknya dijadi makanan sama BL.
Udah kita bangun tuh, udah kita bangun terus gajahnya ngamuk ya. Tahu apa nakal kan tahu? Tahu? Gara-gara nakal Alfian. Terus itu yang meledak tuh Pak, bar itu. Saman makan.
Ah, ah. Wah, wah, para pemburunya jahat sekali.
Kalau anak-anak. Mati ya, tanah mati.
Elephants will become extinct if they keep losing their natural habitat. People are not only dominating the forest by illegal logging and hunting, but also clearing the forest areas to be used as farming,
Katanya
palm oil,
yang tadi
and
ada.
paper through plantation.
Katanya dikejar ngengek.
Iya, katanya dikejar nenek. Wah, ngidang dorong dong.
Itu kita tidak boleh berburu binatang.
Anak kambing, kambing guys, coba lihat guys.
Iya.
Kambing. Ada anak nyebor, padahal teman nyebor ada tai semua. Mak, padahal mana nyebor tai mak, padahal mana tai mak. Cerita di sini ya. Padahal tuh lah tai bau.
Guys, dia lagi mancing tai guys. Wow, dia dapat tai gajah.
Ada kambing juga. Ada nang ayu mah.
Akhirnya gajah-gajah yang ditebang pohonnya dia malah merusak pemukiman guys. Karena dia marah, temennya semua diburu. Dia jadi marah. Itulah akibatnya kalau kita berburu binatang di hutan. Binatang-binatangnya jadi marah, guys. Akhirnya kita
Both
bengong.
humans and animals need to
Mana diurusak ini guys? Dalam ada kali kali. Kalau hewan lang pipis.
conflict between wild elephants and humans take place. It is difficult to find solution for harmony.
Tegang sekali, guys.
Lah jangan dia guys sampai sakit bahasanya guys. Ada tai gede gati guys, coba tinggalin guys. Itu dia guys. Tai dia.
Ini namanya ngengek gajah.
Gajah.
Ada yang belum pada tahu ngengek gajah, ini dia.
Iya.
Ini dia.
Iya gajah.
Ini dia salah satu mak.
Iya gajah. Iya. Ada nanya bor, ada nanya bor.
Setelah muyak tai gajah, akhirnya dia ditolong, guys.
Should we let this conflict continue without doing anything? It's time for us to be aware and care about elephant conservation so they can be conserved and still exist for the next young generation. To overcome the conflict between wild elephants and humans, Taman Safari Indonesia, supported by the government, have opened an elephant education and conservation center that is located in Waikambas, Riau, and Aceh in Indonesia. Hopefully, such action inspire change and protection of the wildlife because wildlife everywhere need us to protect the forest habitat that is home to many creatures, great and small. The Sumatran elephants are located solely in Sumatra Island of Indonesia and have history that goes back many centuries. They have been used in forestry for hundreds of years and also for ceremonial purposes. To understand more about some of the characteristics of our Sumatran elephants, please make welcome onto the stage the beautiful Bella, along with the keeper Alia. So please big applause, everyone. Hello Della, how are you today? Good, yeah? She looks gorgeous today. Della is about 31 years old and will now help us to show you the differences between Asian and African elephant. Sekarang kita akan melihat perbedaan antara gajah Asia dan gajah Afrika. As you can see that they have large bodies standing up to 3 meters tall and super strength weighing up to 4,000 kilograms. They are surprisingly smart creatures and also have great memories. Firstly, we can see the difference from their trunk. The Asian elephants have one finger on the top of their trunk, while the African elephants have 2 fingers, one on the top and one at the bottom of their trunk. Gajah Asia memiliki 1 jari pada ujung atas belalainya, sedangkan gajah Afrika memiliki 2 jari, 1 di atas dan 1 di bawah ujung belalainya. Can you all see their tusks? For the Asian elephants, only the male have the long tusks. The female have short and small tusks. While in the African elephants, for both male and female have long and strong tusks. Gajah Asia hanya yang jantan memiliki gading yang panjang, sedangkan gajah Afrika baik jantan dan betina sama-sama memiliki gading yang panjang. And thirdly, we can see the difference from the ears. The Asian elephants have smaller ears, while the African elephants have larger ears, and they will flap their ears to cool themselves when they get hot. Gajah Asia memiliki ukuran telinga yang lebih kecil daripada gajah Afrika. And finally, Bella, show you her front leg. Good girl, Bella. The Asian elephants have 5 hard nails on their front legs, so let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 4 hard nails on their hind leg. While the African elephants have 4 hard nails on their front leg and 3 on their back. Gajah Asia memiliki 5 kuku di kaki depan dan 4 kuku di kaki belakang. Sedangkan gajah Afrika memiliki 4 kuku di kaki depan dan 3 kuku di kaki belakang. So that was beautiful performance by Della. Let's regard from Della by waving hard strong. As a way to thanks, I would like to invite 3 participants to come up onto the stage because Della has special gift to you. Kami akan mengundang 3 orang untuk naik ke atas panggung karena Della memiliki hadiah spesial untuk Anda. So now please raise your hand. Angkat tangan ya. And I will choose the most excited one. So raise your hand as high as you can. And from this side, more excited please. I will pick the lady in brown. Ya, yang pakai baju coklat? Ya, ya. Kakak. And from this side, I will pick the lady in black. Yang pakai baju hitam? Yes, you. And the last from this side, I will pick the man in black. Yang pakai baju hitam ya. And please follow my friend and she will lead you to the stage. In the Elephant Education and Conservation Center, these wild elephants can be trained and educated. This conservation project can help to solve the issue between wild elephants and humans. And by you visiting our park today can also help to understand and conserve this highly intelligent animal. And here we have two beautiful ladies, along with one gentleman. So let's give them big applause, everyone. Thank you. Hello, how are you today? Good ya? Now we will make line in front of the elephant. Kita akan berbaris di depan gajah. So please follow me. Ikuti saya ya. And maybe I will start from you. I will start from you. Yeah, this way please. No, from you. Yeah. You are going to be my first participant. Please stand up on the green mark over here. Yeah, on the green mark please. Yeah, you are the second. Kakaknya yang kedua on the green mark. And di atas garis hijau. And you are the last. Bapaknya yang terakhir. Please stand up on the green mark over here. And please face to the elephants. Menghadap gajah ya. Face to the elephants. And stay right there. Because Della will give you beautiful flower chains now. Just don't move. Stay, okay? Just relax. She's coming to you now. She's ready for you, Della. This is your first participant. Let's do it. And 1, 2, and 3. Well done, Della. And please stand up beside my friends over there. So you are the second, kakaknya yang kedua. It will be the same ya, sama saja. Just don't move, santai saja. She's coming to you now. The lady is waiting for you, Della. Let's do it. And 1, 2, and 3. Good girl, Della. And please stand up beside my friends over there. Yeah, so you are the last one. Bapaknya yang terakhir. Because you are the last participant, I would like you to face to the audience for a while. Menghadap penonton sebentar ya. Thank you. So may I know your name? Apa namanya? Catur. Where are you from? Dari mana? And here we have Mr. Catur. Came all the way from Buleleng, Bali, Indonesia. Let's give him a big applause, everyone. Thank you. Yeah, so today is hot, right? Hari ini panas ya. And do you need some waters? Kabel air? No? No? It's okay? But can you swim by the way? Bisa berenang? Oh, you cannot swim? That's too bad. But I'm just asking ya. Saya hanya bertanya. So please forget it. Lupakan saja. And please face to the elephants once again. Menghadap gajah lagi. Because the light's a bit shy now, could you please close your eyes? Tutup mata sebentar ya. It will be quick. Let's do it, Della. He's ready for you. I know you can do it right. Just don't be naughty, alright? And what are you gonna do? And 1, 2, and 3. Well done, Della. Yeah, so how is it, sir? Do you like it? Suka ya? And he likes it, everyone. Once again, please big applause to our participant. And thanks to Della, along with the keeper. Best regard from Della by waving. Hi, Tron. And for all of the participants, you can go back to your seat now. Thank you so much. Silakan kembali ke tempat duduk masing-masing ya. You can keep it. Ya, bisa dibawa. And before we bring back our Sumatran elephants, I would like to remind you that after this, you can watch the Big Cat presentation at 2 p.m. in Harimau Stage. Setelah ini, Anda dapat menyaksikan presentasi kucing besar pada pukul 2 siang di panggung Harimau. On your way out, don't forget to visit our Somali Blue Paper Mini Factory. There, we recycle elephant down into a paper. And now, let's welcome back our family of the Sumatran elephant. Please thanks our beautiful elephants, along with the keeper and all of the guests for a wonderful performance. Have a great day. See you next time. Goodbye. And if you want to take picture with our Sumatran elephants for free, you can come up